The Frenchic Al Fresco Inside-Outside range has gained fame for transforming UPVC front doors up and down the UK. It's a durable, weatherproof, UV-resistant chalk and mineral paint developed to protect and transform both your garden and inside furniture. Frenchic Al Fresco is self-priming, self-sealing and self-levelling. With an almost flat matte finish, low in VOC, it's suitable for wood, laminate, UPVC, composites, ceramics, metal and is EN 713 certified, meaning it's safe to use on children's toys. The Al Fresco Inside-Outside range is touch dry within 1 hour and recoatable after a minimum of 2 hours in normal conditions. Do not bring soft furnishings into contact with the newly painted surfaces for 48 hours. On areas subject to wear, we recommend 3 weeks curing time before heavy use. When using outdoors, we recommend not painting in the direct sunlight, or when the temperature is likely to drop below 10 degrees Celsius, or when rain, frost, fog or condensation may occur within 48 hours after painting.